Chapter 15 Kolkata. Kolkata is one of the four important metropolitan cities of Bharat. It is the largest city in eastern Bharat and the capital of West Bengal. It is located at the bank of the Hooghly River. Kolkata is one of the most highly populous cities in the world. It is a busy port and an important industrial city. During the British rule, Kolkata was the capital of Bharat. Later on, Delhi was made the capital. In the year 1690, East India Company established this city as a trading center. The Howrah Bridge on the Hooghly River is the main attraction of Kolkata. It is an important landmark of this city. This bridge does not have any pillars. In olden days, this bridge could be lifted on two sides from the middle. It was done to allow big ships pass from here. But now the bridge has been fixed. The big ships do not come up to the Kolkata now. They stop at Diamond Harbour, which is a new seaport of Kolkata. Kolkata is the first Bharatiya city which has an underground railway system called the metro. Delhi also has metro railway system. Fact to know: the new name of Howrah Bridge is Rabindra Setu. Damdam International Airport is the international airport of Kolkata. It has been renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Tourist places. Kolkata has many places of tourist interest. Victoria Memorial is a famous building that is made up of white marble. Birla Planetarium, the Rabindra Sarovar, Zoological Park, Botanical Garden, National Museum, Science City and the Dakshineshwar Temple are other famous places of Kolkata. Belar Mutt is a religious institution that works on the ideologies of Swami Ramakrishna Paramahans. At some distance from Kolkata is Shantiniketan, which was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a big university now. Eden Garden and Salt Lake are the famous stadiums where international sporting events take place. Language. The people of Kolkata speak the Bengali language. Food. The main food of people is rice and fish. They are much fond of sweets such as Rasagulla, Sondesh and Cham Cham. Festivals. Most of the festivals of Bharat are celebrated in Kolkata. But Durga Puja is the biggest festival of Kolkata. The other festivals celebrated in Kolkata are Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja and Lakshmi Puja. Peoples of Kolkata are also very fond of dance, music, art and literature. Industries. There are many industries in Kolkata. They manufacture medicines, jute, tea, locomotives, rubber, fertilizers, leather goods, cigarettes, paints, glass, cement, chemicals, etc. Kolkata is the world's leading exporter of processed jute. A massive hydroelectric project on Damodar River has aided Kolkata's industries. Climate. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. During the rainy season, there are heavy rains. Then the weather becomes quite hot and damp. Sports. Chaurangi is a famous place of Kolkata. Many cultural and sports-related activities take place near Chaurangi. Football is played with great enthusiasm in Kolkata. Many football clubs operate here. Famous personality. Rabindranath Tagore is a famous personality associated with Kolkata. His poems and books are world famous. His collection of poems, Gitanjali, won him Nobel Prize in the year 1913. Now you know, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is located on the bank of river Hooghly. Some famous industries located in Kolkata include jute, automobiles, textiles, paper, etc. Kolkata is the biggest center of jute production. There are many historical monuments in Kolkata. The underground railway system of Kolkata is known as Metro. People of Kolkata are fond of sweets. They eat rice and fish as their food. The people of Kolkata love music, dance and theatre. Durga Puja is their important festival. Keywords: manufacture, the organized action of making of goods and service for sale. Massive, imposing in mass or power. Pillar, a tall cylindrical vertical upright. Planetarium, a building housing an instrument for projecting the positions of the planets onto a domed ceiling. Literature, creating writing of recognized artistic value.